In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card from Dhgate. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Give the page a moment to load, make sure you're in your own account so you can access your settings. If the site asks you to confirm your identity, that's normal for security when you're managing payments. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. It may look like a small person's silhouette or your avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From the drop-down, choose My Dhgate. This takes you to your personal dashboard where all your account tools live. Once you're on the dashboard, move your attention to the left-hand side navigation. Scroll down toward the bottom left area. You should see a section labeled Account Settings. This is where Dhgate groups important controls for your profile, security, and payment details. Inside Account Settings, click Payment Verification. This area is used to manage and verify the payment methods tied to your account. It's also where Dhgate may show the status of any cards you've previously linked for faster checkout. If you have a card linked, you'll see it listed here. Expect to see only partial card information for safety, like the last 4 digits, the card brand, and possibly a verification or default status. If nothing appears, it likely means there isn't a card currently saved on the account you're viewing. From here, you can remove your card. Look for a button or link next to the saved card that might say Remove, Delete, or Unbind. Click it and confirm when prompted. Dhgate may ask you to complete a quick verification, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone to ensure the request is coming from you. Once confirmed, the card will be unlinked and won't be available for future checkouts. A few helpful tips as you do this. If the remove option is unavailable or grayed out, the card could be tied to an order that's currently being processed. In that case, wait until the order is completed or canceled before trying again. Removing a card won't cancel any orders you've already placed, and you can always add a new payment method later if you need to. After removal, refresh the page or revisit payment verification to make sure the card no longer appears. That's it. You've navigated to your account, opened payment verification, checked for a linked card, and removed it securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Dhgate payment settings with confidence.